Presenting the Ford 2019 Escape Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group 208, turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, brake-actuated limited-slip differential and aluminum wheels. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.